35% of Japanese people will never travel again. People are travelling internationally again after the hiatus that was caused by the coronavirus pandemic and the subsequent lockdowns. Many people are using the money they saved while borders were closed to embark on their bucket list trips. However, others are showing a reluctance to dust off their passports. A travel report from the Morning Consult website analysed 16,000 surveys from people in 15 countries. The site found that 15% of South Koreans and 14% of Chinese and Americans never want to travel again. Those most unwilling to travel were the Japanese. The report stated that almost 35% of Japanese respondents claimed they never wanted to leave Japan. There are many reasons for Japanese travellers being disinclined to venture overseas. One is a newfound desire to explore the culinary and cultural delights Japan has to offer. Many people travelled domestically during the pandemic and rediscovered their love of Japan's stunning nature and heritage. A Kyoto tour guide said, "I've been constantly amazed at my clients' reactions at seeing the sights of this city. I have never known Japanese people to be so engrossed in their history and tradition." Other reasons are cost and a desire to be green. Tokyo resident Kai Ueno said, "Flying isn't sustainable in this climate crisis. I'd much rather travel locally and spend the airfare on nicer hotels, restaurants, and experiences in Japan."